What's up, guys? My name's XDR, and July, the month of July, it's changing VR. Maybe for the worse, maybe for the better. Okay, so we all know Animal Company. It's the game I'm in right now. It's the second best game on the marketplace, just behind Gorilla Tag, but the marketplace is glitched or they're using bots, because bots don't count. It doesn't say, like, but I'll show you the marketplace right now. Yeah, that's weird, because that's 14K. That's 4.3K, and this is 131K. Because if it was by rating, it'd be still. Yeah, it's just weird. I think that they're using bots or something. Yeah, I like to see bait. Yeah, Beat Saber, go you. Go Beat Saber. Let's go. Go Beat Saber. I actually played a little bit of Beat Saber. But, so, Animal Company is the second biggest game. But, because of this, Animal Company would be changing forever in July, and it'll probably be July will probably be the biggest month for VR gaming ever. Okay, so usually when I do one of these videos, I go outside and like jump on my trampoline and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. I need to embrace this before, because the update's happening tomorrow, and I play a lot of Animal Company. I don't really record a lot of it because Gorilla Tag usually gets more views and stuff. And if I get more views, I get more subscribers, and more subscribers, and more views. And also, I don't profit off of this. I don't even have a bank account. And if I did have a bank account, I would not just be doing Gorilla Tag because it gets more views. I would be doing Gorilla Tag because more people watch it, and so more people get to laugh and stuff. But so yeah, I stay up like extremely late. I stay up to like 2 a.m. sometimes 3. I usually stay up to like 2 a.m. Well, I stay up to like 2 a.m. like 3 times in a row, and then I go to sleep. Then I stay up till like 1 a.m. Yeah, it's kind of weird. But yeah, we're not talking about that. That I'm only saying that because it allowed me to play Animal Company a lot. So we all know from the leaks on the Discord server that we're getting something. We're getting something big. We've already gotten reporting. You can get banned. I've seen someone get banned and just get banned and immediately. Animal Company has come so far from where we've left it, and honestly, I'm happy. There were some updates I didn't like, but most updates I loved. over here and go to leaks. Hello, leaks. Pretty sure there were some new leaks. Do you know that there's a big update next week? We're gonna be getting this, which is not it also. Oh my god. I haven't looked at the leaks, but I think that we're getting the new map in this update. That just gives me a whole stuff. Yeah. So whatever. So and it's changing to either the better or the worse. Depends on the person. They're gonna add swimming and more stuff. You know, like way better stuff. And I haven't. And so, God damn! I have my desk. So people were changing the map entirely, which may attract new players, but it'll probably get some old players to stop playing the game for a bit. But I said July is changing VR forever. How does VR have to do with Animal Company? Okay, I only have one thing to say for this. I don't know why I just said that. Animal Company is VR's second biggest game. And if many people delete it, and people will delete it, it's like something really big that they loved from the beginning, aka Spawn. But Spawn wasn't like this forever. Spawn wasn't like this forever. Not a lot of people know, but there used to be a man, like wizard guy. There used to be so many stuff, but it changed. Changed for the better. Yeah, it changed for the better when they revamped Spawn once. So, if they revamp again, will it be a change for the better?